Think a sluggish throttle means an expensive trip to the mechanic? Think again! In this video from AutoCare Secret, I'll walk you through 3 simple methods to reset your throttle position sensor, TPS. Each method has its own best use case, so you'll know exactly which solution to apply for your car or truck. Don't worry, I'll keep everything simple, safe, and easy to follow. Plus, I'll highlight common mistakes to avoid so you don't damage anything. Stick around until the 3rd method, because that's the most reliable option when the other 2 don't work. Method number 1, ignition reset, the quick and easy fix. This is the simplest reset and works on most modern vehicles. Use this if your car feels sluggish, the throttle isn't responding properly, or the engine revs strangely, but no error codes are showing. Number 1, make sure the car is completely off and parked safely. Remove the key and wait a few seconds. Number 2, insert the key. Turn it to the on position. Dashboard lights come on, but don't start the engine. Number 3, now move to the gas pedal. Slowly press down the pedal over about 4 seconds. Hold it down for 3 seconds. Slowly release it over about 4 seconds. Number 4, repeat this press-hold-release. Cycle 2 more times, total of 3. Number 5, turn the key to off, remove it, and wait about 10 seconds. Number 6, start the car and test the throttle response. If the engine revs more smoothly and the pedal feels more responsive, congratulations, the reset worked. Method number 2, battery disconnect reset. If the ignition reset didn't solve your issue, try this one. It's ideal for cars with electronic throttle control systems. Safety first. Never leave the key in the ignition while disconnecting the battery. Number 1, park safely, turn off the engine, and pop the hood. Number 2, using a wrench. Loosen the nut on the black cable, negative terminal, and carefully remove it. Number 3, let the battery stay disconnected for 5 to 10 minutes to drain leftover charge. Reconnect the cable and tighten the nut. Insert the key, turn it to on without starting, and let the dashboard run its checks. Start the car and let it idle for 10-15 minutes. Don't touch the gas. Turn the engine off, restart, and check for improvements. If it still feels off, don't panic. The next method is more advanced and often works when nothing else does. Method number 3, throttle position sensor reprogramming. This method is for serious TPS issues, especially after replacing the throttle body or when error codes keep coming back. Number 1, turn off the engine and let it cool completely. Number 2, disconnect the negative battery cable for about 2 minutes, then reconnect it. Turn the key to the on position, but don't start the car. Stand near the throttle body. You'll hear a soft buzzing sound. That's the throttle learning its position. Wait 3 to 5 minutes until the buzzing stops. Turn the key off and remove it. Start the engine and let it idle for 10-15 minutes. This step is crucial for recalibration. Number 6, take the car for a short test drive to confirm smooth throttle response. Pro tip, keep your throttle body clean. Resetting your TPS is only half the battle. A dirty throttle body can bring the problems right back. Clean it every 20,000 kilometers, 12,000 miles, for smooth performance. Never use carb cleaner, thinner, or gasoline. They'll damage the throttle. Instead, use a proper cleaner like CRC Throttle Body Cleaner, link in description. And that's it. You now know 3 proven ways to reset your throttle position sensor. But don't stop here. To avoid bigger repair bills, you need to know the warning. Signs of a failing TPS. Check out our video on symptoms of a bad throttle position sensor, right here on AutoCare Secret. Catching problems early will save you time, stress, and money. Tap here to watch now. And don't forget to subscribe to AutoCare Secret for more car care tutorials.